Mini gingerbread naked cakes. To start, preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius, then grease the base and sides of a 20 cm by 30 cm Lamington pan and line with baking paper, allowing the sides to overhang. Combine the butter, treacle and sugar in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Cook stirring for 5 minutes or until the mixture is smooth. Set aside for 5 minutes to cool. Transfer to a large bowl with the plain flour, self-raising flour, almond meal, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, ground cloves, allspice and cardamom. Stir to combine. Stir in the egg and buttermilk. Then pour into the prepared pan and smooth the surface. Pop in the oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Set aside in the pan for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool. While the cake is cooling, use an electric mixer to beat the extra butter in a bowl until very pale. Gradually add the icing sugar, beating well after each addition. Then beat in the dulce de leche. Place the buttercream in a piping bag fitted with a 5mm plain nozzle. Use a 5 cm round pastry cutter to cut 16 discs from the cake. If needed, trim the top of the cake disc to level. Pipe half the icing evenly over the cake discs. Top with the remaining cake discs and press down gently. Pipe over the remaining icing. To serve, drizzle with caramel sauce and top with fresh thyme and rosemary sprigs. Looking for a festive baking project? These mini gingerbread cakes make the perfect sweet treat for loved ones.